This kit is purely designed to prevent blisters. It has everything to help you achieve whatever activity you may have planned. It could range from a coast-to-coast walk, applying for special forces, or to participate in an Ironman event. You may not use all of the contents, but the kit will cover every eventuality that you may encounter. Because we live in such moderate climates, our bodies simply aren't used to extreme conditions. We are not conditioned to those circumstances. So when you do find yourself in that position, your skin will struggle to adapt and may readily blister. This is not what you want to find out on the first day of an event, and preparation is always key. As a prevention blister tape, 3 meters of Hyperfix tape will be enough to see you through an event. The 10 strips of the KT Pro tape can also be cut to size and used as a prevention tape as well. This one is a firm favourite with the armed forces, where yellow is the colour choice that is picked up by the night vision equipment. Skin tack is a product that you would use next to the skin. It's a wipe that makes the skin tacky, allowing it to be more adhesive for the tape and dressings to be applied to. It's great for when you know you might encounter humid, damper conditions that may cause ordinary tapes to lift. A note of caution when using this product: wear gloves to apply it, as it really does stick to everything. Your hands would be rendered useless if any got onto them. Any area of skin that has skin tech applied and is not covered by tape needs 2 Tom's Blister Shield applying over it, as the skin also will be tacky, and that in itself can cause blisters. Tack Away is the reverse product to skin tack. It removes any padding and taping that has been applied to the skin, especially if skin tack has also been applied. Tape adhesive residue left on the skin will cause blisters too, so it all needs to be removed. Alpaca wool is used to weave in between the toes to prevent blisters from forming there. One piece can be used for between one toe, or a longer piece to weave through them all. Use a new piece every day. The alpaca wool will felt, but that means the friction is taken up between the fibres of the wool and not the skin. Do not use on broken skin or wrap it round worn toe. Pour-on insoles are a great simple measure to prevent blisters from forming underneath the foot. We have enclosed Pour-on 4400 green, as not only is it great at shock absorbing, but it contains Microban, which is an antibacterial protection that enables there is no bacterial or fungal growth on the insole, which is reassuring when travelling to climates where hot and humid, where infections may thrive. The insoles are cut slightly larger than your foot size, then you can draw around your existing insoles to get the correct fit for your shoe or boot. Engo heel patches and Engo 6-pack of large and small ovals are great at reducing the amount of friction that may be caused by your footwear. They are applied to the inside of the shoes and not to the skin of the foot. They have a very slippy surface. The isopropyl wipes are used to prepare the inside of a shoe if it's had waterproofing applied to it. This is done before applying the Engo patches. The antibacterial blue gel digicaps in small and large. These can be placed on the toes that are affected by blisters and prevent them forming. They can be cut to size with the spare bit cut off that could be used on another toe. They are reusable and hand washable. Fleecy web St. George crosses, packed in 36 pads, are a great preventative measure for the ends of the toes blisters. They will need securing onto the skin with Hyperfix tape, and in humid conditions the skin is best prepared with skin tack for that extra sticking power. The EpiTac reusable gel ovals are slightly adhesive and can be placed on the back of the heels, arches or the top of the foot. The film needs replacing back onto the gels to preserve them for another day, and they do need securing with extra Hyperfix tape. 2 Tom's Blister Shield powder is used after an application of tape, dressings or deflective padding, as this prevents the edges of the tape and dressings from rolling. 2 Tom's Sport Shield is a single wipe sachet that are great to use in conditions that are damp and wet, and it gives 100% waterproof protection. It's applied to the areas of the skin, specifically to the top of the foot and the back of the heel that blister, but never use underneath the foot. That would cause it to lose traction and to slip around. The semi-compressed felt and foam or felt deflective padding can be used as a preventative measure by taking the pressure off an area of the skin that has known to blister before. It also can be applied after a dressing that has already been applied to the skin. Using the Hyperfix tape to secure to the skin, and here are some shapes that can be cut to take the pressure off an area. Skin tack is a product that you would use next to the skin. It's a wipe that makes the skin have a more adhesive surface for tape and dressings. It is great for when you know you might encounter damper, humid conditions that may cause the ordinary tapes to lift off. A note of caution when applying this product: wear gloves to apply, as it really does stick to everything. Any area of the skin that is not covered by the tape that has skin tack on it requires 2 Toms blister shield, applying over it, as the skin will be tacky and cause blisters. Tack away is the reverse product to skin tack. It removes any padding and taping that may be applied to the skin, especially if the skin tack has already been applied. Tape adhesive residue left on the skin will cause blisters too, so it all needs to be thoroughly removed. Nitrile powder-free gloves are put in this kit for the application of blister shield, skin tack and sport shield, as the products will make the hands either too slippy or tacky when using skin tack. Blister Help 2 litre dry bag. Although most of the items in this kit will be used prior to an event, the bag will carry the rest of them and has the added benefit of being waterproof, protecting all the contents while facing extreme weather conditions or immersed in water. A comprehensive set of illustrated instructions are included in the kit.